Okay, this is a short lesson on evaluating algebraic expressions from P1, section P1 in your textbook. So when you're evaluating algebraic expressions, there are two steps to follow. The first one is substitute any of the values that you've been given, and then the second step is to simplify using the order of operations that you've already practiced. So as an example here, we have 3 plus 2 times, in brackets, x minus 5 all squared, 4x equals 11. So this is your given value of the variable. So the first step is to substitute. So that's equal to 3 plus 2 times 11 minus 5 squared. This line of the solution is non-negotiable. Always show your substitution before you do any simplifying. Then if you can simplify quickly in your head, you're welcome to use fewer steps than I'm going to show now for the solution. So that's equal to 3 plus 2 times, and we'll take care of the operation in the brackets. So we've got 6 squared. Then we'll do the exponent. 6 squared is 36. So we've got 3 plus 2 times 36, or 3 plus 72, which gives us 75 as our final evaluation, or the final value of that. Okay, so substitute and then simplify. And again, if you go from this step and can do the math in your head, I'm comfortable with you going to this step. But do this type of question using a calculator as little as possible, so that you're practicing your mental math skills as well. Okay, now a formula is slightly different from an expression in that a formula is an equation, so it has an equal sign in the middle. And a formula is an equation that uses variables to express a relationship. So in these two examples, here I've got C equals pi d. That may be familiar to some of you, and that expresses the relationship between the circumference and diameter of a circle. This h equals 1/5 times, in brackets, 220 minus a expresses a relationship between heart rate and age. And you'll see similar examples in the textbook that you'll work with. So formulas are used to model real-world phenomena. So, for instance, the C equals pi d, the relationship between circumference and diameter is a real-world phenomena that equation or that formula models. So this other example that I have here is a good example for why you might be happy to be living in Canada instead of in the States. And this formula, T equals 15,395 plus 988x minus 2x squared, models the average cost of tuition and fees at private U.S. colleges for the school year ending X years after 2000. So what would it be for this school year? What would the tuition be if using this model? So this school year ends in 2016. So X years after 2000, the value of the variable X will be 16. So we'll substitute that in. So T equals 15,395 plus 988 times 16 minus 2 times 16 squared. And use your calculator and come up with that beautiful tuition amount, and compare that to what you're paying to be a student at NSCC. And in D2L, you'll see a list of which textbook questions to practice with this short lesson.